loves, welcome to my kitchen. Today I am making tomato soup. This soup is very healthy, very tasty and very easy. So after watching this video, if you really like my recipe, share with your friends, like, comment and don't forget to subscribe Sharma's Kitchen. So let's start. We need chopped tomatoes, ginger, chopped onions, coriander leaves, bay leaf, cinnamon and cardamom, crushed black pepper, all-purpose flour or maida, butter, bread slices, oil, tomato sauce, salt and water. First take a pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter and also add 1 tablespoon of oil so that your butter does not burn. When your butter starts melting, add small cinnamon, 1 bay leaf and crushed cardamom. Now you need to roast them on a 30 seconds or until you start smelling their aroma. So after 30 seconds, now add chopped ginger, chopped onion and some chopped coriander leaves. Here I am also using coriander stems because these stems contains more flavor. Now saute everything until your onions are soft and translucent. When these onions are done, now add chopped tomatoes. Always wash your tomatoes properly and then chop, and always use fresh red tomatoes for amazing color and taste. Don't cover them with the lid to retain their beautiful red color in your tomato soup. So cook until they are soft. You can use a stand like this. When these tomatoes are perfectly done and soft, switch off your flame, let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes and then grind in a grinder and make a thick paste. So after grinding, now you need to strain your tomato paste. So strain it properly. You can use this mixture in your gravies. Don't throw it away. And just look at this amazing tomato puree. So now heat up the same pan again. Add 1 tablespoon of butter and also add 1 tablespoon of oil. When your butter starts melting, then add 2 tablespoons of maida or all-purpose flour on a very low heat and cook it for 60 seconds on a low flame. After 60 seconds, now add this tomato puree, mix it properly and after mixing add water. Here I am adding, which is enough for 4 family members, but you add water according to your requirement. Then add salt as per your taste and 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce just for the flavor and sweetness. You can also add powdered sugar. Now mix it properly and cook on a medium heat and wait for a boil. So till the time, let's make our croutons. Heat up the pan, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Instead of shallow frying, you can also deep fry. Cut your bread slices into small squares like this and now put them one by one and shallow fry until they are crispy and golden brown. So let's check our soup. Now our soup is boiling and just check out this amazing consistency. Try to make balance between thick and thin. Your soup should not be very liquidy or very thick. Now switch off your flame. Finish it off with fresh crushed black pepper and your tomato soup is ready. You can also visit to my website for the written recipe. Check out the link in my description box below. So, do you like this recipe? Give me your precious feedbacks by commenting and don't forget to subscribe Sharma's Kitchen. Thanks for watching.